Hello and welcome to Sleepy English. Today, we build a calm plan to stop procrastination. If your day slips away in small clicks and you want to be a person who starts and finishes, this talk is for you. You do not need perfect willpower, only a tiny start you can repeat. Procrastination is not a sign that you are lazy or broken. It is your brain trying to avoid discomfort. When a task feels big, boring, unclear, or scary, your mind offers you something that feels better now. A short video, a snack, a message, a small cleanup. Your brain is not evil. It is trying to protect you from stress. But this quick comfort has a cost. The task waits. Time passes. The worry grows. By night, your body is tense and your mind is loud. The next day, the loop begins again. To change the loop, make the first step small and clear. The mind fears unclear edges. If your plan is write the report, it feels like a mountain with fog. If your plan is open the file and type one true line, the fog lifts. A start that is tiny and specific is a start you can take even when you feel low. Tell yourself the first move in simple words. Open the book and read one page. Put on shoes and step outside. Wash one dish. Send one honest email line. When the first move is clear, the rest is easier. Now add a kind trick. Promise yourself only 2 minutes. Begin, and after 2 minutes, you are free to stop. This small rule is powerful because the wall is at the beginning, not in the middle. Once you cross the wall, momentum helps. Many times you will keep going. If you stop, you still win. You kept your word today, and that keeps the habit alive. Your space should help you start. Put the tool you need where your hands will meet it. Keep the book on your pillow instead of on a shelf. Leave the open document on your screen. Place a pen and a small notebook on the table. Set a glass of water nearby. Make the right action easy. At the same time, make the distraction slow. Move your phone to another room during work time. Log out of the noisiest site. Remove one tempting app from your home screen. Add one extra step between you and the scroll. Every bit of friction you add to a distraction gives your focus more room to breathe. Time also needs a gentle shape. Long, vague hours invite delay. Short, clear blocks invite action. Try one calm work block where you focus on one task only. 20 or 25 minutes is enough. Close extra tabs. Put your phone away. Set a quiet timer. Work until it rings. Then stand up. Breathe slowly. Drink water. And look at something far away for a minute to rest your eyes and mind. After a short break, you can do another block if you wish. This rhythm is kinder than pushing for hours without a pause. A few clean blocks often beat many messy hours. Rewards help your brain return. They do not need to be big. When you finish a block, sip tea by a window. Step outside for a little light. Play one song you love, or stretch your body. Let your mind feel a small wave of good job. You can also picture your future self for a moment. See the person who sleeps easily because the task is done. That picture is a reward too. You do not have to change alone. Tell one safe person what you plan to do today. Keep the plan small and clear. Say that you will read 3 pages after breakfast, or that you will write for 10 minutes before lunch, or that you will clean one corner in the evening. Send a short note when you finish. The goal is not pressure. The goal is gentle support. A quiet witness makes it easier to begin. Perfection is one of the strongest roots of delay. If you believe your first draft must be great, you will avoid the first draft. Give yourself permission to make an ugly first pass. Call it a test run. Call it a sketch. Call it a mess. A rough beginning is how good work starts. You can improve a sentence that exists. You cannot improve a sentence that is still in your head. Anxiety is another route. When your chest feels tight, do not try to think your way out. Use your breath. Sit and take a slow inhale through your nose, then a longer exhale through your mouth. Do this a few times. Roll your shoulders, relax your jaw, place your palm on your chest, and feel it rise and fall. This soft reset tells your body that you are safe enough to start. Now, let us design a quiet day that reduces delay. Mornings are a gentle lever. When you wake, do not touch your phone. Sit up and place your feet on the floor. Take a few slow breaths. Drink a glass of water. If you can, step into daylight for a minute. Light tells your brain to wake. Write one short line that points your compass. Keep it honest and small. Say that you will do one calm work block on the task that matters most. Say that you will read one page of English out loud. Say that you will move your body for 10 minutes. Place the tool you need in plain view. Then take your 2-minute start. If you want to continue, continue. If not, you still kept your promise. Late morning or early afternoon often brings noise. This is a good time to protect one more clean block. Choose one task. Close the extra windows. Put your phone away. Set a timer. When it rings, stand and breathe. Take a short walk if you can. Let your eyes rest on far things. Eat simple food that keeps energy even. Drink water when you change tasks. These small acts are not extra. They are part of doing good work. Evening is for closing loops. Take 1 minute to write down what you did. Be kind and concrete. Then write the first tiny step for tomorrow. Put the tool where you will see it. Dim the lights and go to bed on time. Sleep is a strong friend in your plan. A rested brain starts faster and resists delay better than a tired one. There will be hard days. You will miss a block. You will scroll. You will push a task to tomorrow. On these days, treat yourself like a friend, not a judge. Use a short reset line. Say that you are beginning again now. Do your 2-minute start. Make one check mark. Close the day. Begin again tomorrow. A plan that bends will not break. You can also prepare for common traps with simple if-then lines. If you sit down and reach for your phone, then you place it across the room and take 3 breaths. If you open a tab that leads to a rabbit hole, then you close it and set a 20-minute timer for the task in front of you. If you get stuck on a hard part, then you write one ugly line or ask one clear question and move on. These small scripts guide you when your mind tries to run. Identity makes change easier. Each time you start on time, say a quiet line about who you are. Say that you are a person who begins with a tiny step. Say that you keep small promises to yourself. Say that you are a steady worker. These lines are not magic. They are mirrors. Your actions write the story, and the story then supports the next action. Your space can carry you when your mood does not. Keep your desk simple. Clear one small area. Put the book, the notebook, or the tool in the center. Keep water near you. Sit with your back supported and your feet on the floor. Let there be light on your work, and if possible, let some natural light touch your eyes during the day. A calm posture helps a calm mind. It helps to make tasks more playful. Turn a chore into a small game. Try to beat your last time for a short cleanup. Count how many true lines you can write in 10 minutes. Learn one new word and use it in a tiny note. Play soft music that helps you move without stealing your focus. When work has a light spirit, delay loses power. Money, health, and family needs will not pause while you change. You do not need a perfect life to begin. You need a small door you can open each day. Protect your door. It might be the first 20 minutes after breakfast. It might be a short time before dinner. It might be a quiet slice at night once the house is still. Let your people know you will be less reachable during that small window. Be warm and clear, and keep your word. Some tasks are late because they carry fear. A call you are afraid to make. A message you do not want to send. A form you do not want to read. For these, use a simple sandwich. First, take the 2-minute start. Second, pause and breathe. Third, do one small piece like dialing the number, writing the first line, or opening the form and reading the title. When the piece is done, step away for a minute, then return if you can. If not, set a time to return tomorrow and leave the tool ready. Fear often shrinks when you touch the task and then step back. Your progress does not require big wins. Count clear days, not perfect days. A clear day is one where you did your 2-minute start and one calm block, or where you set your phone aside and did one honest step, or where you closed the day with a tiny note. 3 clear days a week can change your month. A long chain of clear days can change your year. Picture tomorrow morning. You wake and do not reach for the screen. You sit up and breathe. You drink water and touch daylight. You write one line that points your compass. You open your work and take the 2-minute start. The first wall is gone. A few minutes later, you are inside a calm block. The timer rings. You stand, breathe, and feel a little lighter. You repeat once more in the afternoon. At night, you write a tiny note to your future self and place your tool where your hands will meet it. Nothing loud happened, yet you changed the shape of your day. This is how delay loses its grip. Stopping procrastination is not a single fight. It is a gentle path of tiny, repeatable starts, clear blocks, light rewards, soft resets, and kind self-talk. Over time, your brain learns a new story. You are someone who begins. This is Sleepy English. See you next time.